Tydi Menter Môn ddim yn rhan o'r cyngor.
Da ni wedi cychwyn cwmni creision.
Mae gennym 4 swyddfa.
Mae hwb menter garwch.
Be'n union mae pobl yn wybod am Menter Môn?
Well, I hope you have a better idea now of what Menter Môn does. We are a fairly unique organisation, a not-for-profit organisation delivering a range of projects such as those listed by Aaron. There is value in all of these projects, but by doing them together, you can achieve so much more. Morlais is a good example of this. Morlais will provide opportunities for young people. It'll provide work for local companies. It'll help support the Welsh language locally. We have explained what we do, but not why we do it. We see value in our resources, our tide, our heritage, our young people, our local businesses. And we believe we need to protect, celebrate and use these resources for the benefit of local communities. We believe in the ability, the creativity and the energy of local people to come up with solutions to the challenges facing this area. We believe in delivering on distinction.